Ladies and gentlemen, this is an ode to the B-boy, B-girls, the people out there who do it for the love. And believe me, I'm not dissing anybody out there who's trying to get paid. I'm trying to get paid too. But I got one question. Whatever happened to the heart? The public passion to the heart. The entity that gave you that energy to want to start. Bring it to mama battle and doing it in the park. Where the mission was expression, I'm only the top charts. I don't know what happened, moment to blow at me. You sold the passion for the flows and the tracks. Radio's lacking, control my passions. Assholes doing damage, but we're gonna take it back. Before we get to 100 G's of pop, all we can do is a little top in a beatbox. Hip hop like the B-boy is like shell toes, only having 2 stripes. Hip hop, freedom, body, graffiti, body, type, so excited, organize, everybody, lies, and I rhyme until look about money, but it's just to know this thing, and it's freaking eventually get served. Breakers of my words, just spinning, never put the truth to what I words. If you really want it, come on with it, cause we got it, I'm honestly paying homage to forgotten bodies in the culture, giving the props to learn. If you wanna earn your stripes, you gotta be able to rock this mic and set ciphers alike. Filling and putting everything you got in a circle will never be documented in the commercial. Now B-boys, B-girls, bring it back to the block. Let me see you get down for real popular. If you record without thought, then stop, because I'll serve your whole album with the goddamn beatbox. Without thought, it just happens. If you got a thing to feel, that's not rapping, that's acting. I'm for the leather backpacks and backpacks, and she's a sick raps who serve those that are whack. It's a way of life. I put all my energy into the melody on the MPC, really that to be reckoned exceptionally, especially whenever I'm monumentally, grammatically killing the minds of my DJs. Making that music, keeping the moving when the beat plays. Staying into the breaking the moving in the MC's day. Making that shit I was pushing with the trees, man. Can't get from losing to really do it. And other people gotta make their money, and the way to make money is to get inside of the industry. Looking on the radio, so you can roll, you get a car and a crib up on MTV. But in the end, what's classic? Radio bubble gum or voice filled with passion. To my real hip hop heads, please stand up, cause the only people that can preserve this art is us. See?